Hi, good morning. We have a beautiful day and we are going to feed the horse with a hay. Alright, so I'm here with James. James and I gonna feed our horse. And what do you call this? It's a... Come on! Yum, 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 yum. Okay, I'm feeding him. Feeding the hay. James! James! That's James. Why are you thinking? Why are you feeding him in the butt? It's supposed to be in the mouth. You make me laugh. You made me laugh, James. So meet Rusty. Oh no, Rusty. Resty. His name is Resty. Oh, what is your name? Resty or Rusty? So, look at the beautiful horse. Hi. Need some water. Hi, Resty. Why? He's so this is my run away from it. Feed him. Feed him, babes. Feed him, babes. Feed him, babes. So feeding with him. Don't. Alright, and James is here. Are you feeding them?
I did.
How about we can feed the... What is his name? Wait. Prince Milo. We can feed Prince Milo, be. So we are farming. And this is the cutie one. Alright. And we have a lot of hay over here. That's we're feeding the horse here. Hi, Prince Milo. We're gonna feed Prince Milo. Prince Milo. We're gonna feed him. Prince Milo. You hear it? He's a beautiful horse. And his name is Prince Milo. That's Prince Milo. Okay, Prince Milo. Eat it. I'm feeding Prince Milo, babe. Come here. Come on. Come on. Prince Milo is waiting. Milo boat.
I want to feed the Rusty.
Oh, yeah. His name is Rusty. So, James, good enough. So we're gonna feed Rusty.
Goodbye.
Wait, guys. There you go, guys. So that's Rusty.
I want to feed
His name is Rusty.
Milo. Come on.
Hey.
Feed the Rusty.
Oh, he wants more. Be careful.
No. Hello. Don't.
Give him, babes. Don't be afraid. You're brave. Go, James.
I'm brave.
You're brave. Yeah, you're brave.
With
You're so sweet. Okay, put it down. It's fine. Put it down. Drop it. So we're gonna get more hay. Hi. James, can you please help Tita Be?
To get the father.
Yeah, can you please help Tita?
Babe.
Pick it up. Pick it up, this one, the big one. Babes! Prince Milo, I know. Rusty. Rusty, where's your hay? Rusty, Here's your hay. Come on, James. Help Tita. Help Tita, be. I drop it. So, I'm enjoying. This is my new job. Feeding the horse. Feeding the horse. This is my new job. It's interesting. Oh, James! Prince Milo is coming.
Here's mine.
A beautiful white and brown horse. Look at him. See
I
that?
want Westy. Westy, I have you.
Mhm.